You derive it. Good. So what they're doing is saying, hey, we're right, and here's why. So hey, we're right, here's why. What's another way of writing this? I don't know. Negative x to the negative 2 would have also been correct. Number 18, you guys can check it. Another way of writing this would have been negative 1/2 times x to the negative 6. Or x to the negative 6 over 2. Sorry, negative. Negative x to the negative 6 over 2. But this is the best way of writing it. Never get common denominators with constants. Just leave them off to the side. Number 26, you could not integrate until you multiply. Good. Now all of a sudden it matches up. Boom and boom. Except the answers are all going to have y's instead of x's because of the dy. Number 28. A little algebraic piece, no big deal with power rule. Little trigonometric piece. Did you guys get the plus? You should be memorizing, working on these rules. The integral of negative cosecant squared, or I should say the integral of cosecant squared is negative times a negative is a positive cotangent. 44, why was he weird? He was great. He was a great question. He had f double prime, and what were they asking you to get at the very, 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 very end? F. So you had to do 2 steps, 2 integrations. But the nice thing is they gave you 2 clues as well. Because when you integrated the first time, you wouldn't go back to f. One integral goes back 1 step. And I think, Nick, you were the one that asked, right? Like how many times you can integrate? If they gave you f double prime and you need f, it's like acceleration and position. You would have needed to integrate 2 times. So integrating once would have gotten you negative 2 over x plus, see how they're doing the little subscript, c1? You could have just said plus c. The problem is you would have written plus c for this integral and for that integral, and they would be 2 different c's. So that's why they're distinguishing. You can't really put 2 c's together when they're in 2 totally different steps. They went ahead and paused right here and said, aha, I can find you. When x is 1, the derivative is 4. So they plugged in when x is 1, so negative 2, the derivative is 4, so they plugged in 4, solve, 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 c was 6. Then when they had f prime, they said, yay, let's go again. But where on earth did that ln come in from? Nice. This is the one exception to the power rule, right? When n is negative 1. So coming back to the ln of x, once again, they said, wait, we have a clue for that. Came back when x is 1, the y of f is 3. So plugging in the y of f, plugging in 1. ln of 1 is 0. Maybe some of you forgot that. ln of 1 is 0. 6 times 1 is 6, and they solve, solve, solve. They got negative 3. Plug it in, done. Plug it in, done. And I think with that is 4.1a. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute, there's a 4.1b. What do you guys see with that title? Motion. And all of a sudden, instead of f double primes and f's, what do you see? A is for acceleration and v is for velocity. And any physics people out there know why negative 9.8 might be a given? It's gravity, meters per second squared. Go team. And so then you're going to be solving for things like, wait a minute, c is s naught and c is v naught? What's v naught and what's s naught? What's so special about those guys, and why are they going to be my c's? Initial velocities and positions? What? Anyway, that's not coming quite yet. I think that homework is going to be due. Oh, I pulled up the calendar and forgot to look at it. I think it's due like Wednesday or Thursday. Let's go ahead and pause for right now, and let's do some integration competition, unless you have any questions from homework. Anything homework, odds or evens? How do we do? Looks good. All right. Whiteboards, markers, tissues. Close up the notes, close up the books. We're not starting fast. I have 3 questions, and we're starting slow. I have 3 questions, and we're starting slow. 2 points if you get it right, 1 point. No, sorry. 2 points if you get it right, and you're first. 1 point if you just get it right. No points if you get it wrong at any point in the process. 2 points if you get it right and you're first. 1 point if you get it right. 0 points if you get it wrong anywhere in the process. Pick who's writing first. My groups of 2. It's up to you guys. You guys could stay. If you want to join in, we could make a couple groups of 4. You get to choose. You just have about 30 seconds. So either go sit in another group or just be like, no, we got this. You guys staying? All right. Oh, was he a bad one? All right, here we go. Someone has the marker. They're going to stay with the marker, but you're going to collaborate. Ready, set, and take it away. Hold it up when you think you have it. It does not have to be simplified, just has to be right. Show me. Oh, no. Sorry. No. I have 2 0 points. Think of my weird voice, and when do I use it and why? Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I have a yes. Ah, 2 groups forgot plus C. The rest of you guys, you can learn from them. I'm still looking. Yes. One more. Yes. Yes. All right, have we learned the plus C? All right. Oops, sorry, lo siento, lo siento, lo siento. Ah! It's back there because of the sleepy people. Up here. New marker, new person. 7, x to the 13 over 13 plus C. So all of you anti-derived perfectly, just a couple groups. The very first 2. Good job, you almost got the double pointer. But you forgot the plus C. Here we go, new person. Don't look at your rules, little cheaters. Nope, I just need the answer. You have to write the problem first, but besides that, oh, my sound's still on, lo siento. Let me see.
Yes. Good stuff, Michael. Yes.
Oh, almost. Little baby mistake. Your signs are right. Thanks. Yeah. 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 Rachel, it wasn't a squared. Just cosecant. Just cosecant. All right. Third person. Or back to the first person. Ready? It's okay. They can tell you what to do. It's okay. They can tell you what to do. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to be first. You don't have to be first. Ready, set, go. Some of you might be like, wait a minute, which one is it? So let me help. Uh-oh. Let me help. Ah. I didn't help. I didn't help. I didn't help. It's x to the 1 times the cube root of x. Listen to twice. Sorry, she wrote it the long way and then the other way. I just had to make sure it matched. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take it. But talk about what another way of writing that would be, like a way that would match. Are you hearing people say rewrite it first? Thomas first. There's no such thing as a product rule for integration. Go back to the beginning.
No, wait, I'm not changing this.
Okay, I'm orienting the board because I have 2 more groups. That's okay. Do I have one? Yeah.
Yeah, so I was taking the interval of this
So right now the point totals, one group still to check in, is group 1 with 4, group 2 with 3, group 3 with 2, group 4 and group 5 with 2, maybe 3. 2, maybe 3.
Listen. Don't put this on my shoulder. How are you? You're relying on the wrong guy.
I think they're relying on the right guy.
I know. I'm just. I wrote too cool for school. Spelled too cool for school on purpose. That shows how cool I am.
A little bit off. It's okay though. Look and see what I did. Your mistake was almost their mistake. You forgot to rewrite first. So there's no product rule for integration. So since there's no product rule, we have to combine first. 1 plus 1/3 is 4/3. Then we add 1. When you guys added 1, what did you end up getting? 7/3. So we had to multiply by 3/7. So that when this came down, subtract 1 4/3. Got it. Got it. Good job, kiddo. That's the only one you have to do today, okay? That's the only one you had to do today. Here we go. New person. Maybe you're starting back at the beginning. One group has one more person to go.
Here we go, boys.
Any marks? Get set. Oh. Oh.
You always get the easy one. Go, Patricia.
The 2 pointers.
What I like to see.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. 5 4 5 3. Those are the point totals. Next person. Ready, set?
No, gosh, no.
Yeah. Hold on. Keep them up so I have proof that you got it. Got it, group 1. Got it, group 2. Got it, 5. Got it, group 4. Look at you guys memorizing your rules. I'm so proud. 6. 5 5 6 4. No. 6 5 5 6 4. There we go.
Yeah.
First though. Watch, I'm gonna get the hardest.
Ready, set?
Oh, David.
You can read it, right? 7 times x squared times the cubed root of x. Technically right. Did not have to be simplified. Did not have to be simplified. The 2 pointers clocked in. That's a yes because it's nice and simplified, but I think yours is a yes too. That'd be 10/3. That'd be 10/3. In writing it fast, key detail. Slow down just a little bit. Slow down just a little bit. Wait, you technically said wait when I started looking at it? Okay, show it to me. Show it to me. Show me again. Yeah. Do you get the? Yes. So group 5 got one, and then group 3 got one. 7, 6, 6, 5. First step was to rewrite. You guys should have gotten 7/3. So x to the 10/3 times. Now, I did technically, just to be fair, the first one that clocked in did this, and I took it. Why? You don't have to make it match. But technically, those of you that went ahead and multiplied by 3/10, or you showed the 21/10, you were also right, right? Okay. New person. Ready, set? I changed the exponent on you. Now they're on a roll. Oh. Yeah.
Show it up, show it up, show it up. Yeah, I know.
Yep. Now you guys aren't simplifying. Oh, we did simplify. Nice. Nice. 8, 7, 7, 10, 6. Any marks? Get set. It's a new person, right?
Yes. No. No.
No to rewrite. If I were you, I would simplified. No. You're so close though. Add 1. No. Perfect. Perfect. So 1. Talk about it. Why is that a 1 instead of a? Yes. Yeah, that's what you got to do. I'll still give a point if you can get it right, even after doing it wrong. But the 2-pointer is gone. I'll give 2 points to anyone who gets it right on the first try.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's just get it right. Oh, we're losing our advantage. Just get it right.
Wait, I'm confused.
No. But something as small as a plus or minus. Rachel, you ended up getting it right. No, if you get it right the second time, I'll give you 1 point. There you go. I have one group still vying for a 2-pointer and one group still vying for fixing it to get a 1-pointer.
One-third first, and then the
That's not 2 the 1/3.
I thought that was the next
Oh my god.
I always forget the x's. Plus 1/3.
Yeah, also give a point if it's right.
I think so. Oh no.
I'll do this. This is good, and that's good. Talk about why. Give it a little bit longer.
take away the
There you go.
skirt.
No, because they got it wrong. So they only got 1 point. And this one got it wrong, and they're trying to fix it. Group 4 got 2. Group 2 is still trying for a 1-pointer, but scores as they stand: 9, 7, maybe 8, 8, 12, 7. They're getting the 2-pointers. How did you guys, now careful, careful, careful. 4 out of the 5 groups made a mistake on this one. How did you do it? You have to find a way that works for you. Does this way work for you? Would this have avoided mistakes for you? If so, then do it that way. Did this work for you? Oops. Did it work for you? Or will it work with it? You just got to be careful. 2 groups made this x to the negative 4. 2 groups. Careful, careful, careful. This is an obvious one. Hopefully it's an obvious one. "30 seconds. Almost. Should have been a minus because it was a -1, so it'd be a minus x. Otherwise, you could rewrite this a couple different ways. You could write it -3x to the -1 minus x plus c. You could have stopped there, or you could have done -3 over x minus x plus c. 1 bonus point to any group who can show me the final simplified make it match answer.
Wait, we already erased it.
No, just the answer, just the answer. Just the simplified answer, the multiple choice, make it match answer. If they had simplified it more, what would they have done? Group number 2, got it. Group number 2 already got it. -3 minus x squared all over x plus c. That could have been another form. Times x over x. Common denominators.
GG, man.
All right, 2 more. Did I have a line? I think I had a line. Whoa. Are we on number 6? It's going to be black, not gray. Scores as it stands now, because they missed it, 9, 8, 8, 12, 7. 9, 8, 8, 12, 7.
We have our winner.
This last one will be worth
No.
4 points.
What are you?
So you could tie with them as long as they get it right, though they'll still win.
Make it 5.
Here we go. You ready? The integral of give me a sec.
We're engaging in
You're having way too much fun with this.
Dude, they're putting a scope eagle in the game. Scope? It's literally a scope magnum.
How much lazier can they get? Like, they're just putting scopes inside.
It's like stop putting guns in the game. Fix the game, dude. Stop adding to the problem. Like, I literally fall through my build more than I get friggin' 200 damage. They shot through my wall the other day. Oh my gosh.
Maybe not.
And like, you
Ooh, I could do, okay. Oh no, it's
There's no way we're gonna solve that.
Probably not.
Wait, what's sneaking at?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, what do I do now?
See if you can beat me going slow.
Wait, oh, I didn't do the bomb.
No, that's cosine. That's cosine. Where's
It's about Pythagorean identities.
Guys, just copy her word. You don't get the the point if she really gets it before you. It's a joke, Thomas. He's going way too fast with this. It's a joke. How close was I?
Ollie's running it
Group number 4 won. Bye. See you later. Get out of here. There's an integration quiz at the beginning of tomorrow. 2 to 3 integrals, just solving. Just solving. You, yourself, and you. Can you do it by yourself? Bye, guys.
I have to take the forever.
Sweet. When can we do it?
Tomorrow. Fine.
During class, after school?
Doesn't matter. Whatever's easier.
In your integration quiz, if you finish early, I'll throw you the forever one. If not, we'll do during after school. Oh, yes, please.
Both. I forgot to turn this in and the other one.
And the quoting one? Oh, the quiz, yeah. Yeah, got it. Thanks, bud. Silent treatment. This is rough. Bye, Rebecca.